What if I told you that you're carrying a fully working AI model in your pocket right now and it never touches the internet? No servers, no subscription, no monthly fees. Just your phone thinking on its own. That's exactly what Google's Gemma 4 make possible. Today, I'm going to show you how to set this up from scratch on your phone, on your laptop, and how to wire it into Claude Code as a completely free coding assistant. All offline, all private. So, what actually is Gemma 4? Because the name gets thrown around a lot without people explaining what makes it different from every other open source AI model announcement. Gemma is Google DeepMind's family of open weight models. Think of it as Google's answer to Ollama, models they actually release to public, not just talk about. Gemma 4th is the 4th generation and it's first one where I did say the quality genuinely competes with paid cloud APIs for real-world tasks. Now, here where it gets interesting. Google didn't release one model, they released 4. And each one is engineered for a completely different piece of hardware. Let's go through these properly, because the names are misleading if you don't know what they mean. The E2B and E4B, that E stands for effective. These are phone models. They are built using something called per layer embedding, which is a technique that makes the model much more memory efficient without gutting its capability. The E4B needs 2.5 GB of RAM. On your phone, you almost certainly have 8 GB. This thing runs with headroom to spare. Now, the 26B. This is where people see 26 billion parameters and immediately think, no way my laptop runs that. But here's the thing, 26B is a mixture of expert models. MOA architecture means the model is actually divided into specialized subnetworks called experts. For any given token it processes, it only activates a small subset of those experts. In Gemma 4 case, out of 26 billion total parameters, only 4 billions are active at any moment. Think of it like hospital. You have hundreds of specialists on staff, cardiologists, neurologists, surgeons. But for any single patient, you only call in 3 or 4 doctors actually relevant to their case. The other 200 are on standby. That's MOE. The model has deep specialized knowledge across many domains, but it is not burning compute on all of it at once. The 31B dense is the flagship. Dense means all 31 billion parameters are active for every single token. No routing, no shortcuts. This is maximum capability. It currently ranks among the top 3 open source models in the world. But it needs serious hardware. Now beyond the size difference, there are 3 things about the whole Gemma 4 family that I think genuinely matter. First, multimodality. Every single Gemma 4 model handles text and images natively. The edge models also handle audio. The 26B and 31B add video understanding on top of that. This isn't the text model with vision bolted on as afterthought. It was built multimodal from the day one. Second, function calling and agentic capability. Gemma 4 has native support for tool use. That means it can be given a set of functions, search the web, read a file, call an API, and it will decide when and how to call them as a part of completing tasks. This is what makes the agent skills demo on the phone work, and it's what makes Claude Code integration possible on the laptop. We will see both of those in action shortly. Third, the license, Apache 2.0. Not open source for research only, not non-commercial use. Apache 2.0 means you can take this model, fine-tune it, deploy it in a product, charge money for that product, and Google cannot come after you for it. That is genuinely a big deal for anyone building with AI right now. Now, let's see it in action. Head to the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. Search for Google AI Edge Gallery. Download its free and open source model. When you open it, you see 5 modes: AI Chat, Ask an Image, Audio Scribe, Agent Skills, and Prompt Lab. We are using 2 of these today. Go into Model Management and download either E2B or E4B. I did recommend E4B. It's a bit larger but produces much cleaner outputs on complex tasks. This is the only time you need Wi-Fi ever. Done. Airplane mode on. From this point forward, everything I show you will use no internet at all. Now I'm going to ask Gemma to write a complete Sudoku game, HTML, CSS and JavaScript with a timer, a check solution button and a mobile-friendly layout. No coding from me, only one prompt. Open AI Chat and turn on thinking mode. This makes the model show its full reasoning before it produces any code. Incredibly useful for debugging. You can see exactly where it got confused. So I'll give the prompt as, please create a Sudoku game using HTML, CSS, JavaScript with a timer, a check solution function and ensure it's mobile friendly. Watch this. It's reasoning through the logic before writing a single line. Grid initialization, validation logic, timer, it's working through all of it. When it finishes, copy all the code, paste it into a text editor and save it as .html file. And then open that file in your browser. The phone version is great, but if you want to run a bigger model like 26B or 31B and get seriously fast responses, you want a laptop. And the tool that makes this dead simple is Ollama. Ollama handles everything. Downloading the model, managing the memory, running a local API server. It's one install and one command. Go to ollama.com and download for your OS. On Mac, drag it to your applications. On Linux, run the bash installer. On Windows, it runs via WSL. And then, to verify the installation, run the command Ollama version. Now step 2. Pull a Gemma 4 model. Before we run the model, keep in mind that the right model depends on your hardware. For most modern laptops with 16GB RAM or mid-range GPU, start with 26B MOE. It activates only 4 billion parameters at a time, way faster than you expect. Then run your command, Ollama pull Gemma 4 26B. If you want to go bigger, you can run the command Ollama pull Gemma 4 31B. But make sure you have the right hardware. Then verify download using Ollama list. Your model will appear here. And finally, step 3. Test it. First, run the command Ollama run Gemma 4 26B. And then write a prompt. Write a Python function to check if a number is prime. Notice the reasoning quality. This is a much stronger response than the phone models. Now, here's where this setup becomes genuinely powerful. Claude Code is Anthropic's Agentic coding CLI. It reads your code base, writes real files, edits, run terminal commands, and reason through multi-step problems. Normally, it requires an Anthropic API key and cost per token. But since January 2026, Ollama added native Anthropic Messages API compatibility. That means Claude Code can route all its requests to your local Gemma 4. No API cost, no data leaving your machine. Full Claude Code experience. So let's start. First, run any of the following commands according to your OS. Then one command set all environment variables and launches Claude Code. And that is Ollama launch Claude model Gemma 4 26B. And after that, you have to configure some variable, and the launch command automatically sets Anthropic authentication token, Anthropic base URL, and Anthropic API key. Then starts Claude Code pointed at your chosen model. No manual environment variables needed. And that's it. For years, AI on your phone or local AI meant a toy that couldn't do real work. Gemma 4 changes that. Your phone transcribes and reason offline. Your laptop runs a 26 billion parameter model with 4 billion parameters active and feeds it into a professional coding tool, all without touching a server. And it's Apache 2.0. You can build products with it today. Try it and drop a comment telling me what you built first. I want to know what people are actually using these for. See you in the next one.